In the U.S., the Federal Reserve has cut the federal funds rate, the interest that banks charge each other, to a range of 0 to 0.25%. That's down from the 1% rate that has been in effect since their last meeting in October. That's also the lowest level on record. The Fed also pledged to use all available tools to combat a severe financial crisis. Li Na has more.
The Fed's aggressive move was greeted enthusiastically by Wall Street. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 4.2%. The Standard & Poor's 500 index jumped over 5%, and the Nasdaq Composite Index shot up over 5.4%. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke and his colleagues say they will use unconventional measures to try to contain the financial crisis. He says the measures are needed to counter one of the worst crises since the 1930s and a recession that is already the longest in the quarter century. The Fed also made clear on Tuesday that it intends to keep the funds rate at extremely low levels. The Fed's decision was matched by a reduction in the prime lending rate. That's the benchmark rate for millions of business and consumer loans. Banking giant Wells Fargo said it was cutting its prime rate to 3.25%. That's down from 4% before the Fed action. Other banks are expected to quickly follow the move. The central bank says it has room to battle the economic weakness because inflation pressures have diminished appreciably, especially since the price of energy and other commodities have fallen sharply. Li Na, CCTV.